the sword. Okay.
What the? I don't know how to PvP. I'm just gonna. Bye. I'm raging again. I don't know how to play.
I'm tired.
I'm staying in lobby 6 for like about the next 5 hours.
So I guess where'd you go? Did you go up there? How'd you get? How'd you get it? Oh, there's stuff. Look at that. Oh, he jumped up. He jumped. Oh, never mind. Hey. Oh. Bentar. Apa? I got that. But. Apa? I just killed a guy. Where are you? Oh, hi. I'm behind you. Here.
Guys, there is a guy in that house that you were just looking in.
Is he dead? Oh, dude, here. Dude, here. There's. Where is he?
Where did he go?
I don't know.
Oh no, he just disappeared.
Quit, maybe? Okay. Do you know our enchanting table is done?
Talking to me?
Yeah, I just said, yeah.
Let me see. Fly around the whole entire map. Dude, there's a guy right on one of those corners. Go. No, keep on going. And to the left, now.
Oh, there he is. Come here, boy. No. Get in that water. Guys. Oh, yes. Okay, now go on the lily pad. Oh, god damn it. Oh, yes, find him. Ping pong! Play ping pong! Why did you do that? You have arrows?
The arrow's coming in to you. There's an archer coming, and he's shooting you guys.
Oh, god. Sergius, where are you?
He's right behind you, Donovan. Donovan, kill the guy behind you.
Ah!
No, TNT.
I'm okay. Let me get the stuff underneath the water.
You blew up the map. How's that possible?
Because you're allowed to do that. That's what a TNT.
Wait, there's an enchantment table in that big round oval thing.
Oh, here, narrow.
To the left and then right there.
Oh, wow, okay. Here, I threw out an arrow. I only gotten in a breaking stone sword. I'm enchanting in one again.
Guys, come on, behind you, behind you!
Oh, God! Ah! He hurts. He hurts.
Save your life.
I got some crits on him, though.
It's just like I'm saved here.
Oh, God! Oh, God! He's right here. He's right here. Did you kill him? Yes! Yes! Yeah! I got this and this. Yeah, boy. Half hearts. I'm okay. This would have been good. Oh, God, shoot him off. No! Aw. I'm not going up there. He's gonna knock me off. I'm gonna die. Wait, let's go back to the enchanting table. Yes? No. Then we can enchant all of the stuff. No, not DM yet. When I'm done enchanting, I'll do DM. Ooh, you have a bow? I don't have any arrows, but when I get arrows, I'll use it. No, somebody started deathmatch. Okay, enchant quick. Okay,
Just the fact is in the highest building ever with his teammate. They both have nothing.
okay, both of my stuff, all of my stuff
They
is
both
enchanted.
have iron armor, like an iron helmet, and then the other has like iron pants, and then they both have full chain dress.
It's just weird to see chain boots on like an almost full iron guy. Like if it was a chain helmet, so what? I need arrows. I have a power 1 bow. Arrows. Actually, no.
Don't let me enchant my bow all the time. Deathmatch starting in 7, 6,
Oh,
5,
wait.
4, 3,
Gave me stick. Okay.
2,
You
1.
said they have nothing done.
No.
They have stuff. I mean, it's not good, but it's okay.
I said they both have iron stuff. Diamond, that looked like some reach on first person, bro.
Oh God! Look behind you! Look behind you! Yes! Got the one! Got. Wait! Okay. Yeah!
I saved your guys' life when you were near the enchanted table.
You did done. I would have died. I was low when I was done with that. Thank you guys so much for watching that video. I didn't do an intro, but